Boosting heart health, essential steps for heart failure patients. Heart failure can be a scary diagnosis, but there are steps you can take to improve your heart health and live a fulfilling life. Here are some essential steps for heart failure patients. Step 1. Medication adherence. Take your prescribed medications exactly as directed by your healthcare provider. These medications can help manage your symptoms and improve your heart's function. Step 2. Follow a heart-healthy diet. Adopting a heart-healthy diet can significantly improve your heart health. Focus on consuming fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Limit your intake of salt, sugar, and saturated fats. Step 3. Stay physically active. Regular exercise is crucial for heart failure patients. Engage in activities that get your heart pumping, like walking, swimming, or cycling. Consult your doctor to create a safe exercise plan that suits your specific needs. Step 4. Monitor fluid intake. Fluid buildup can strain your heart. Keep track of your fluid intake and follow your doctor's recommendations. Avoid excessive sodium and learn to recognize signs of fluid retention, such as swelling or sudden weight gain. Step 5. Manage stress. Stress can exacerbate heart failure symptoms. Find healthy ways to relax and manage stress levels, such as deep breathing exercises, meditation, or engaging in hobbies you enjoy. Step 6. Regular checkups. Attend all your scheduled doctor's appointments. Regular monitoring of your heart function and making any necessary adjustments to your treatment plan are vital for maintaining your heart health. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Reach out to your healthcare team if you have any concerns or questions. Together, we can boost your heart health and lead a fulfilling life. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable health tips.